To quickly switch between windows, press Alt plus Tab and choose the window that you need. To close current window, press Alt plus F4. To access properties of any file or folder, press Alt plus Enter. To switch between languages in the language bar, press Alt plus Shift. To call the task manager, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. To permanently delete file without putting it into the recycle bin, press Shift plus Delete. To refresh your window or desktop in case it freezes, press F5. If you liked this short video and it was helpful to you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any other helpful videos.